Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm actually going to share with you my Dollar Tree makeup collection. So there's actually a lot to go over because you guys love to send me your dollar store finds. There's also dollar store finds in this acrylic organizer and a bunch in the drawers, you guys, but keep in mind it's seriously a hot mess express. Actually, before we get started, I just have to mention that I recently decluttered a bunch of makeup, but I really need to declutter some more. So do you guys want to see a decluttering video? Just let me know in the comment section down below. But it's finally time to show you guys my really cute makeup collection. So I decided to go ahead and show you guys what's in the drawers first. There is seriously so much in there, but you guys are probably wondering about these lights. So I know it doesn't look the best, but they're only $20 on Amazon. So if you guys want something simple and quick, then go ahead and check out the link down below. But let's go ahead and get started with the first drawer, which is right here. So what you guys see in here is actually my everyday makeup, and I also put my favorites in this little pink bin as well. I think I only have one brush from the dollar store in here right now, so this one is the e.l.f. powder brush. I haven't seen this one over there in a while, but it's actually pretty good, you guys. And I love this LA Colors loose powder. It's seriously amazing for $1, so hopefully you guys find it as well. So moving on to this little bin, so I like to put mascaras, eyeliner, and this one is actually from the Miss A website, priced at $1, so keep that in mind. And the liquid eyeliner is also from Miss A as well. Even the eyelash glue is $1, you guys. Really good deal. You guys definitely have to shop on their website. I love the e.l.f. concealer, but it's not $1. I got this one at Target, priced at $6. But here are two mascaras from the dollar store that I really enjoy. So the brand LA Colors, the pink one is really good, and the other one is also good as well, but try to look for the blue packaging. It's my favorite. This big mascara is also $1 from Miss A. I have more of the eyelash glue over here. But if you guys are trying to look for a liquid liner, definitely pick up the brand LA Colors and Beauty Benefits. These two are seriously amazing for the price, I feel like. And this one is hands down my favorite foundation, you guys, but keep in mind it's priced at $5. This primer is really good for $1.88, so hopefully you guys can see this on the Miss A website. They always run low. I also got this sponge from Miss A and the concealer sponge over there, and of course this one is also from Miss A, but very affordable. So moving on to this bin right here. Obviously this one isn't from the dollar store, but I highly recommend this. Really good deal. And this is actually the banana setting powder from Miss A for $1, and this right here is actually the LA Colors setting powder, so once again really good. I also really enjoy the face primers as well, so they have 4 options over there, but these two are hands down my favorite. This one specifically minimizes pores, which it really does, and the other one corrects dullness, which I also think works. And if you guys see the LA Colors brow cream gel, you have to pick it up. You won't regret it. Seriously amazing. Honestly the best find this year, but hopefully I can find more of these very soon because I am running low. And I highly recommend you guys finding these fans. They're seriously amazing for $1, and this one says Queen in Pink. It's really pretty. I also have a bunch of glitter ones as well, so I like to use this one during the summer just because it gives off summer vibes, you know. Super cute. But what do you guys think about this fan? I have to know. But for those of you that are wondering, like, why do I need a fan from the dollar store? So I like to use a fan after I'm done putting setting spray. It just helps it dry faster, and it just feels amazing as well, you know. So highly recommend. These fans. Are so pretty. So before we move on to the next drawer, I have to show you guys what's in this pink bin real quick. So obviously these aren't from the dollar store, you guys. The only thing from the dollar store in this bin is the brand Flowers. So Christina actually sent this to me. Thank you so much again. I really enjoy this blush every single day. So when you open this up, it literally looks like powder, but once you put this on the face, it literally dries down like a regular blush. It's so beautiful. I highly recommend for $1. It's seriously amazing. And here's another flower blush that Christina sent to me. So I haven't used this one yet. I'm waiting to use it until I'm done with this one right here, but it's a really pretty shade of pink as well. And the packaging, of course, is so gorgeous. I can't believe they sell this brand at the dollar store. Seriously crazy. But it's finally time to move on to drawer number 2. So you guys are probably thinking that I have way too many eyelashes in this drawer, but honestly I can't help myself. I have to collect them because they always run out, you guys, and I love to wear eyelashes every single day, so whenever I see it I always stock up. You guys know me. But this one is actually hands down my favorites, the extra large Wispy full dramatic lashes. So these actually sell out the most, and Eileen actually sent me these right here. Super pretty. So the Wispy long crisscross, I recently tried this out. Really pretty, but I feel like the extra large is way better, and this one is also really nice nice as well. So Wispy Curl, which Eileen also sent to me. And the one with the blue packaging is Wispy Doll Full. So beautiful. This one is actually my second favorite. I feel like I'm good for a whole entire year, you guys. I'm not even kidding, because you can reuse these for like 3 weeks. It's really nice. So highly recommend for $1. Definitely one of the best finds at the dollar store. And many of you guys sent me a message showing me the new Ioni lashes. Like, I'm seriously so jealous because I'm trying to look for the ones with the pink packaging. You guys probably know what I'm talking about, so I'm very jealous because my dollar stores have been slacking lately with the Ioni lashes because they always bring in the old ones, you know. I want the new ones, but anyways, finally time to show you guys the third drawer. So here's the next drawer, you guys. I just have the Ioni Everlasting Lash Glue. This is seriously amazing. If you see it, definitely stock up. So it looks like I have 2 of them in here and more of the Ioni lashes, and I really want to try this brand. Very beautiful. Don't you guys love how full it looks? But usually these never beat the Ioni brand. I'm not even kidding. I tried out high-end lashes and they don't even compare. So you guys know I love the one to the far right. So dramatic and so full. And keep in mind, if you guys want them extra dramatic, all you have to do is add mascara. I also love the pink applicator. Really pretty as well. I recently found this pearl clip at the dollar store. Seriously so beautiful, and there's gold on the back. Really pretty. And this clip also came with it, so pearls with gold. And you guys know I love these snap clips so much. So there's pink and yellow, and the other one is a hot pink color with red. So I'm definitely going to use the red one very soon. And these are just headbands that I like to use when I do my makeup in the morning. So that's pretty much it for drawer number 3. Finally, time to move on to drawer number 4. So as you guys can see, it's a Hot Mess Express in here. This palette is actually one of my favorites, you guys, but I haven't seen this since Florida, so hopefully you guys can find it. This one specifically is called Wildflowers. Really pretty. Highly recommend. It's so good. And here's the brand Color Mates, you guys. So I'm not going to lie to you, most of their eyeshadow palettes are not pigmented whatsoever. It's super hard to blend and it just feels chalky, you know, and very cheap. But this one actually worked for me, so hopefully you can find this one. But it doesn't tell me like what it's called, so that's very unfortunate. But just remember, it has orange shadows, pink, blue, and green. It's really pretty, and I felt like it worked pretty well. And here's a mint lip oil, so one of my favorites, you guys, and it lasts forever, so highly recommend each one. This mascara is actually from Miss A for $1. Really good. It's very comparable to the most popular mascara from the brand Too Faced, so keep that in mind. And this lip plumper is seriously to die for, so from Miss A for $1. I haven't seen the LA Colors chunky lip pencils in such a long time, but this one is actually very beautiful and so pigmented, but I will say it's not matte, so keep that in mind. You definitely have to reapply it, but I love it, you guys. Really pretty. And I have a bunch of flower lipsticks over here, so obviously these are from the dollar store, and it's called Sheer Shotgun. Really pretty name. Here's a swatch of Sheer Shotgun, you guys. So it's definitely sheer, and it's more of a lip balm, which I love, so I like to use this whenever my lips are dry. But if you're looking for an actual lipstick, then definitely look for this packaging. So once again, the brand Flower. This color is so gorgeous, and it's called Flamingo Flower. So this shade of pink is seriously so beautiful for the summertime, so I can't wait to use it. And it's very creamy and not drying, so I love the formula. Once again, highly recommend. And here's another one from the brand Flower, you guys. So same formula as the last one, and it's called Petal Kiss. Really pretty name, so a lighter pink color. So it's definitely more on the purple side, you guys, but I still think it's very gorgeous. But which one is your favorite so far? Definitely let me know. But all 3 feel amazing on the lips. But pretty much everything over here is from the dollar store, you guys. So I have the brand Wet n Wild. These are the lip balms. They're really good and very pigmented, so keep that in mind. I have a light pink color, coral color, dark purple, and the LA Colors lip balms are also amazing, you guys, but keep in mind they're not as pigmented as the Wet n Wild. But the LA Colors Sugar Lip Scrub is seriously amazing. I highly recommend, you guys. You won't be disappointed. I still find a bunch of them today at my dollar store. And I have another LA Colors lip balm, so it's red, really pretty. And you can find a bunch of the Beauty Benefits lipsticks at the dollar store. They're pretty good, but keep in mind it's not matte whatsoever. But if you're looking for a matte lipstick, then definitely look for this one right here. So the brand LA Colors. I own every single one. It's really nice. And this is also from the brand LA Colors. I think I'm going to declutter a bunch of this. And all the way back here I have the brand Wet n Wild. And this one is the brand LA Colors, so the metal lipsticks. So I'm not going to lie to you guys, I haven't touched these lip balms in such a long time, so I think it's time to declutter them. So just stay tuned. I will show you guys swatches in my future videos as well. But I have to know, do you guys enjoy the lip balms or the lip oils? Just let me know your favorites. But it's finally time to show you guys the blushes and the bronzer. So these are actually from the brand Beauty Benefits, which I love so so much. I'm going to start off with this line right here. So this one is the Lasting Flush Blush. It's really beautiful, you guys. So it has glitter. I have to show you a swatch because it's so beautiful this time of year. I hope that you find it too. So it's called Rose Copper. Wow, you guys, so cute. It actually has rose gold glitter, you guys. One of my favorite blushes, hands down. Like, the pigmentation is amazing. This was only one swipe, you guys, so keep that in mind, but very beautiful blush. I should have picked up more because I love it, and I haven't seen this in a couple of months, so hopefully they bring more of these in. So beautiful. But it's finally time to move on to another blush. So this one is really pretty as well, but keep in mind this one doesn't have glitter. So if you like a matte finish, then definitely pick it up. I know you guys can barely see it, but I promise it's really pretty. Just use a heavy hand, and of course use a lighter hand with Rose Copper, but I promise the matte blushes are so beautiful if you're going for a natural look. So the next one is actually a highlighter, you guys, one of my favorites, and it's called Golden Glow. So beautiful. I'm not sure if you guys can see the highlighter very well, but I definitely have to pick up a new one because it is drying out. And of course I have the Beauty Benefits eyeshadows, so some of them are actually pigmented and the other ones are just really sad, so it's definitely a hit or miss, but this one is actually pretty good. It's a dark purple color. It shows a dark purple color, but it's more on the pink side, which is so pretty, so you can definitely use this one as a blush if you want. So I actually have the brand LA colors, but I went over these in my previous video. So it's the highlighter. They're really good and very pigmented, but I feel like the brand Beauty Benefits definitely performs way better. But here's their other line, you guys. So this one is a bronzer, and it's called Warm Sun. I highly recommend. And here's another blush, you guys. So this one is a peach color. Once again, really pretty for the summer. I have more of the bronzers over here, so I think this is the one that I really didn't enjoy. It just didn't blend that well. So Golden Cocoa. And here's the last blush, you guys. So a bright pink color, which is so beautiful for the summertime, but what do you guys think? So I feel like I showed you guys a bunch of makeup products already. It's seriously crazy, and I still have boxes full of makeup that I have to go through, so I really need to declutter what's in my drawers right now and just put makeup that I'm actually going to use. But anyways, it's finally time to move on to the next drawer, which I forgot what's in there. I really need to get better with how I organize everything. So I have face masks in here, and I have a bunch in the bathroom as well. I have shown you guys this palette before, so you can find this at the dollar store, the brand Hard Candy. Really beautiful palette, and this one is usually $10, so keep that in mind. I really enjoy the LA Colors Loose Face and Body Shimmers. They're amazing, you guys. Honestly, it reminds me of the Fenty Beauty Body Glitters, so crazy for $1, you know, and I love the white one. And if you guys can find the Hard Candy shadows, then definitely pick it up. So dark purple and light purple, so beautiful, and it is travel friendly, which I love. I have more from the brand LA Colors. So this one right here is actually the blush, one of my favorites. And the Hard Candy highlighters are seriously amazing. And don't you guys love the packaging? So this one, you get a pink highlighter, blue and purple. Really awesome find at the dollar store. And you guys know I love the LA Colors shimmering eyeshadows. They're seriously amazing, especially this one right here. So it's called Lollipop. And I was blown away whenever I found the Wet n Wild foundation. So this one specifically is the cushion foundation. So it just gives you that natural look. So this one works for me right now. And it's in the shade Nude Beige. If I want to use this one, I definitely have to mix another foundation with it, but it's called Buff Beige. And I go through these glitters so fast, you guys, so beautiful on the skin, but I haven't seen this in a while either, so I haven't been using it. And this lip balm is actually very beautiful and it smells good, but the only reason why I don't like to use it is because I have very long nails and it likes to get underneath my nails, so I don't like it, but really pretty packaging. I also tried out these eyeshadows, so I got blue and purple, but I remember telling you guys that it wasn't pigmented, so I'm probably going to get rid of these two in my decluttering video. And this shimmer stick was definitely a flop, you guys. I got this one from Miss A for $1. But that is everything that was in this bin, but it's finally time to move on to the next one. So this right here is actually from Miss A for $1. You can find the self concealer, of course, at the dollar store, but usually at Walmart they have sales on this for $1 as well. And I love this foundation, you guys. Really amazing. So the brand LA Colors, this one specifically is the matte liquid foundation. I love it. And I don't recommend the Beauty Benefits mascaras. They're not good whatsoever. It just makes my lashes very clumpy, so I'm definitely decluttering this one in my future video. You can also find more of the e.l.f. concealers, but this one barely covered up anything, so I didn't really like it. I can't believe I almost forgot about this contour palette, so I actually hit the pan, so I'm looking for a new one, but I haven't seen them in such a long time, so hopefully I can find them very soon. And this mascara is also from the dollar store, you guys, but keep in mind, it's not good whatsoever. And I forgot about this primer that I paid only $1 for. I really need to try this out, so it's actually new. But that is everything that's in this drawer. It's finally time to move on to the next one. So I have this really big bin full of scrunchies. So I have new ones in here and old ones. Recently I put my favorite ones in the bathroom because I like to do my hair in the bathroom. So I just put like the ones that I really want to wear in the future in this bin. But I just have a mixture from Amazon, the dollar store. Like this big fluffy one is actually from the dollar store, really pretty fine. And then you guys sent me these scrunchies as well, so pretty. But it's finally time to show you guys this side. So obviously these aren't from the dollar store. I'm very happy that I have more of the brow cream gels, you guys. So here's the packaging, very simple and I love it. I just hope that you guys can find it and hopefully I can find more of these as well. But here are some more lip oils, you guys. I love the watermelon one, and another favorite is definitely strawberry. And we are down to the last drawer, you guys. So in this pink bin, I have a bunch of random lip glosses and lipsticks. Obviously, I need to organize better. This Glitterazzi lipstick is actually very beautiful. I highly recommend. And the packaging is gorgeous for $1. I didn't really care for this one right here, you guys, the Diamond Shine lip gloss. I also have this line as well, which is really pretty. Once you put this on the lips, you can definitely see the glitter. I love the hard candy lip plumpers so much, you guys. I can't believe you can find this at the dollar store, so definitely stock up. And I really enjoy the lip plumpers from the brand LA Colors. So they actually have 4 colors at the dollar store, and I own every single one. I think everything is in here, but there's more from the brand Beauty Benefits, the brand Flower. I mean, I have a bunch in here, you guys, and I'm pretty sure there's lipsticks too. And you definitely have to find the Velvet Lip Mousses, one of my favorite lipsticks, for $1. It doesn't dry on my lips whatsoever, and it's really pretty if you put a lip gloss over it. So this one is actually a dark purple color, but it shows up more pink on me. But I own every single Velvet Lip Mousse as well. There's even a red one right here, you guys, so pretty. So I put my favorite nail polishes in here, you guys. So the brand Wet n Wild, you get 2 for $1, which I think is pretty cool. And of course you can find the brand Kiss at the dollar store. So I have a gold glitter one, rose gold, which is hands down my favorite, a light pink one for the summer, and this one is like an orange color. There's even green back here, and I have more of these in the bathroom too. But back here is Simple Colors, which I highly recommend as well. The brand LA Colors is actually pretty good too. But right now I've been loving this one right here. So a bright red color. It's really pretty for the fall time, and this nail polish is really pretty too. So which one is your favorite? I have to know. So it's finally time to show you guys what's in the acrylic organizer from the dollar store. So I have a couple of palettes in here that I really enjoy, so I can't wait to show you. So I just have a bunch of random makeup products in here, you guys, but this Beauty Benefits blush is obviously from the dollar store, so a dark purple color, and it's true to color too, really pretty. And this is what I like to use every single day, and many of you guys asked me about it. So for Miss A for $1, it's very pigmented. But here's a product from the dollar store. So the e.l.f. bronzer and blush, really gorgeous. And of course I enjoy the LA Colors blush, so you get a lot of product for $1 as well. And here's the next one, you guys. So I have highlighters, setting powders in here. So moving on to this one, so I see a couple from the dollar store. This one is actually from Miss A, one of my favorite highlighters, super pigmented, and it just reminds me of a high-end highlighter, so definitely shop on their website. But if you guys are looking for the best highlighter at the dollar store, then I highly recommend this one. I always find it there, so you shouldn't have a problem, but you get so much for $1. And this one is called Glow Time, really pretty. And I also found another hard candy highlighter, which is so crazy, you guys. I love the gold packaging, so you get silver, gold, and dark brown, really pretty. So before I move on to the liquid eyeshadows, I just have to mention, if you want this acrylic organizer, I'll put a link down below. I paid $25, but it was definitely worth it. It's so smooth to close and open. But anyways, here's a closer look of the eyeshadow that you can find at your dollar store. So this one is hands down my favorite, a very beautiful shaded pink. And they also have other colors too, but I decluttered it because I never use it. It's finally time to move on to palettes, you guys. So the CoverGirl one is from TJ Maxx. This one is obviously from Miss A, which is really good. It's very pigmented. So I forgot that I had this LA Colors eyeshadow palette. So you get 4 matte shadows, which is so beautiful, especially for a natural look. And it's called Valley Girl. So I haven't seen this since Florida. And here's another eyeshadow palette that I'm pretty sure you guys will enjoy. So they recently stocked up at my dollar store, so I highly recommend this one. You get dark brown, orange, purple, really pretty this time of year. And you get a nice size mirror as well. So if you guys want this one too, it's called Sunset Break, really pretty name. And they have 2 other options as well, but they're not pigmented. And I don't see any more palettes in this drawer, you guys. So in this drawer, I just have a bunch of random lipsticks, lipsticks, lip glosses. Like this one is from Miss A, and this one is definitely from the dollar store. I wasn't a fan of it. I definitely need to declutter, you guys, like ASAP. I'm going to show you guys everything in this pink bin, but I recently just posted a fan mail unboxing video, so definitely head over to my second channel if you want to see that video, because many of you guys sent me some really cute stuff. I'm very grateful. Actually, before I go, I just have to show you my outfit of the day because I think it's super cute, especially if you're staying home that day. So I'm actually wearing a Victoria's Secret long sleeve top, and I got this, I'm not even kidding, 5 years ago. So their clothes last forever, you guys, and I love v-neck slouchy long sleeve tops because they're in like all the time. And then of course I'm wearing pink leggings with sequins, super cute. And please don't mind the mess on the floor, I promise I will clean that up ASAP. But anyways, that is actually going to be it for this one. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, like always, just go ahead and give it a big thumbs up for me, and definitely let me know if you guys want to see a declutter video next, and I'll see you in my next one.